Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to clone a Shopify store. So let's say this is online store here, right? And if you want to clone, for example, there is a store. I will just take you here, Kylie Jenner, and Kylie Jenner website is made on Shopify. Kylie Cosmetics here, and if you want to clone this up, wherever I don't know what kind of clone you're talking, but I will assume two types. So this is first one. You want to completely clone this website. So this can only happen when you just click on the three dots and click on download theme file, or you will get this option to upload a theme file, which is here. So I have a theme file. I will just go and click on upload a zip file. So let me add up here, which you can see. So I will just upload a zip file. Most of the influencers they sell, you can purchase, you can just get it from somewhere, right? So you can purchase this kind of file. So you can clone a website in this way. So once you have uploaded, the size is really small, so you have to just replace your images and everything. It will just take a few seconds to install the theme. So once it get installed, you can just go and click on customize. Let me show you. So I will just publish this, or let's just go and click on customize here. Now here you will get this option to add the images and everything, right? You can see the colors has been changed, the catalogs, the image banner, right? There's a lot of things that has been completely changed, right? This is the customer feedback and everything here, right? So you just need to edit some of the words and some of the images, and you will able to clone this website completely. So this is the first way to clone a website. The second method is, let me just close this up. You have to go to the themes section here same way, and let's say that you want to clone this up, right? The spotlight theme. Click on the dots and click on just duplicate. Now what will happen, automatically a duplicate will become up here, and you can see there's a name copy of spotlight. So this is a spotlight theme. So these are the two ways to clone a website completely, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.